Working in Autocad with Modelspace versus Paperspace. There are 3 different applications in viewing and working in Autocad. The first application is working in Modelspace, shown as a dark gray screen with grids. The second application is to work with the template in Modelspace, where the page represents a white sheet for printout. The scale for the drawings are set up in Paperspace to create congruent printouts. The third application is to use Paperspace. In Paperspace, the drafts cannot be edited. In Workspace in white, the drafts can be edited, moved, scaled to match the Paperspace inside of the viewport. Please view the bottom of the interface for the 3 different applications. Another page is shown on the bottom of the interface, that is just another template, but not used for this application. Working in Modelspace with the white paper background helps to view the work better and correct any mistakes back in Modelspace with the gray background as well. Thank you for watching.